So for the Olay toss, you're going to bring it up, slide your hand to first tape, down bring your hand to tab, and with your thumb down. Then bring it up and do a back scratcher, let go of the first hand, make it an Indian feather type thing, and then you release with a flick. Ooh, let's go. And release. Ooh. For the flourish toss, you start flat, you pop it up to straight up and down, and grab about a dollar bill into the silk, and you bring it around, and you scoop. So, dollar bill, scoop.
Dollar bill, scoop.
So for the one-handed 45, you're gonna bring the pole over your head so that it's resting on top of, like, the inside of your elbow, and then you're gonna pop it up and grab like that. Okay, so pop up and then release at a 45 angle. Up, release, and as you release, your hand is gonna come down and grab. So, release, down, down. To do a flick parallel, you have to bring it up to your belly button and bring your right hand into money hand. Bring it down, swing up into flat, and go the opposite way. So, here, down, out.
Here, down, out.
So for backhands, you're gonna start inverted, and then you're gonna push the rifle down, and you're gonna release. And as you catch, your hand is gonna go inverted again. So, like that. And then if you wanna do it continuous, you just squeeze and keep pulling.
Keep pulling.